Hey everybody, I'm the Gulf Coast Granny. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today's crazy. Do you see this mess? I haven't done a dish. I'm still in my jammies. And I've been cooking since about 4 o'clock this morning. I don't even know what time it is. 7:32. Reason that I'm cooking in a frenzy because I'm trying to make some meals for my daughter who's recovering from a C-section. I'm making my daughter one of her favorite meals. This is corned beef, and she likes it with cabbage. So there's a cabbage here that I'm going to cut up and cook in the juice of the corned beef. Put some potatoes with it. It'll be amazing. And in the crock pot back there, I have a pork roast with some barbecue seasoning on it. I'm going to make her some coleslaw, and I've bought her some brioche buns and some chips. I still have to make the coleslaw. Look, I'm scatterbrained. I don't know what I'm doing. But I do know what I wanted to make a video about today. And I wanted to show you guys how I throw together some tomato jam. I've got about 4 pounds of tomatoes in this pot. I've already peeled them, cored them, and diced them up. And this is about 3/4 of a cup of chopped basil. This is 1 cup of diced Vidalia onion. That's about a teaspoon of salt. I'm going to put in a 1/2 teaspoon of coriander and a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin. Now, I'm going to do 1/8 of a cup of apple cider vinegar. Pour that in there. And some balsamic vinegar. This happens to be maple flavor. And it is delicious. I'm putting 1 cup of sugar. And a 1/2 cup of brown sugar. I'm going to stir it all together. Turn it up to bring it to a boil. And then I'm going to bring it down to a simmer and let it get good and thick, like jam should be. Okay, everybody, while I was trying to clean up the kitchen a little bit, I realized I forgot one ingredient in my tomato jam, and that is the juice of 1 lemon. So let me get that in there, and I'll be back again whenever this is ready to jar up. Wanted to make sure you guys got a close-up of this cooking. Look how pretty that is. I just love the way that looks. It looks rich and dark. I don't know how much darker it's going to get. The balsamic vinegar is responsible for that. It is not overcooked by any stretch of the imagination. Well, my jam is finished. And I've let it cool off just a little bit. And there, look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? I love it. I'm going to put it in these jars, but I'm not going to can it. Now, this jam will last in the refrigerator for 2 weeks or so. You know, play it by ear. So with as little as I have, I just didn't feel like it would be a good use of my time to can it. Oh my goodness gracious alive. Poppy's handing me crackers. Now, this jam is great with grilled cheese, crab cakes, cheese and crackers. You could have it take the place of ketchup. It's sweet, but so much better than ketchup. You could put it in baked beans. Y'all, that's like summertime in a jar. So I did 1 for me and 1 for my daughter. And I'm going to take this to her when I take the rest of the food to her. So that's how I make my tomato jam, y'all. I'm about to get this kitchen cleaned up, finish up the coleslaw for my daughter, pack everything up and take it over. Hope y'all have a great day, and I'll talk to you again real soon, all right?